Hey everyone, welcome to Man Who Eats, and today I'm eating hot honey barbecue smoked chicken wings on the Big Green Egg. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to be notified every time I come out with a new recipe. Let's get cooking. Get your Big Green Egg set up for 350 degrees indirect cooking with 4 chunks of cherry wood for smoke flavor. That means the bottom vent on the Big Green Egg is all the way open and the daisy wheel is shut almost all the way with the petals all open, leaving just about 1/8 of an inch opening in the top of that daisy wheel. That will stabilize the egg right at 350 degrees. As the Big Green Egg comes up to temperature, season your wings liberally with your favorite barbecue rub. For me, today, that's Lane's Barbecue Magic Dust Rub. This can be done the night before. For optimal flavor, just put the wings in the fridge uncovered overnight on a rim baking sheet. This will allow the skin on the wings to dry out a little bit and ensure a crispy exterior once they're off the smoker. When the Big Green Egg is running at 350 degrees, set the wings on the grill in a single layer. Do not pile the wings on top of each other. Smoke for 50 to 60 minutes, flipping halfway through. When the wings are done, they will be between 180 and 190 degrees internal temperature and have a nice crispy skin. While the wings cook, let's prepare the barbecue sauce. In a small saucepan, combine 1/2 cup barbecue sauce with 1 to 2 tablespoons of hot honey. All hot honey is essentially honey mixed with a little bit of hot sauce. That's the most basic form. I'm using Mike's Hot Honey, which has some extra spices and is a really nice flavor on chicken, on waffles, on pizza. You can use it on pretty much anything. I'm using it to put a little spice into my honey barbecue wings. You will heat this over medium-low heat until warmed through. After 50 to 60 minutes, the wings should be just about ready to come off the grill. They should be between 170 and 190 degrees internal temperature with a slightly charred, crispy skin. Remove the wings to a foil-lined baking sheet, toss the wings with a hot honey barbecue sauce, and serve immediately. You will not be disappointed. This is the perfect middle ground wing for those who like the honey barbecue and those who like the spice. I find that pretty much everybody likes these wings, whether they are a spice head or like things on the sweet and mild side. This finds that sweet spot and they are just oh so good. If you like this recipe, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and if you want the full recipe, it's available at manwhoeats.com. I'll see you next time.